Welcome here again to Basic English Nuggets with me, Chigozie, on Prep with Chigozie. So if you're new here, you want to quickly click on the subscribe button because you're in for an interesting ride on this playlist. So today we're going to be discussing wrongly used phrasal verbs and idiomatic expressions. Yes, I don't often use these idioms because I consider them cliche. What do I mean? I mean they have been so overused, but I think the reason they have been overused is because they are correct, right? I mean correct expressions tend to work in a lot of context every time. Yes, so the first phrasal verb that we often mistake, I have steer clear. Yes, you have it spelled right on my screen now. The correct phrasal verb is steer clear, not stay clear. So you don't say, my mother wants me to stay clear of Chinedu because of his playful manner. No, it is steer clear. The word is actually derived from the verb to steer, which means to move a vehicle or a ship in another direction. So yes, it is steer clear, and it is correctly spelled S-T-E-E-R, not S-T-E-A-R. Does that make sense? Yes. The next on my list is helter-skelter. We like to say helter-skelter. So the young woman is running helter-skelter to solve her problems. No, nobody runs helter-skelter. I understand where you're probably getting the notion of scatter from. I mean, the word scatter means, of course, disorderly, right? So it makes some sense. But the original idiomatic expression is skelter. It is from a Middle English word skelting, which means to be in a hurry. So next time you say she was running helter-skelter to solve her problems. Does that make sense? Yes. The final one on my list, I'm sure you've said something along these lines before. I don't have time to banter words with you. No, it is wrong. You don't banter words, because the word banter in itself is used to refer to a playful chat, a playful light-hearted conversation between you, your roommates, your siblings, right? So usually light-hearted rather. So it is banter. That is the word banter in itself. But the correct idiomatic expression is bandy words. So next time you're tempted to say, I don't have time to banter words with you, say instead, I don't have time to bandy words with you, right? So you bandy words, you don't banter words. Banter in itself is a noun that refers to a playful chit chat you can have with your roommates, colleagues, friends, right? So I hope this is helpful enough, and yes, it helps clarify some doubts, and hopefully you get to use them in your everyday conversation. Yes, if you enjoyed this episode, you want to click on the subscribe button and leave a like. Feel free to also share to that auntie, parent, cousin who you suspect has been making these errors over time. Yeah, they may want to bandy words with you and drive at you for coming at them, right? But then you'll be doing them a great favor, saving them embarrassment in the future, right? So yes, until I see you again on another exciting episode such as this, keep learning to speak better. Thank you.